Okay, so I am 99.375% certain my seats are in backwards. There is no headrest adjuster, and the recline adjust is here on the outside, which is unusual in my experience. And then the headrest adjust is here, and this, which you would use to get into the rear of the car, which would make sense to be on the outside, is on the inside. So, same is true of the driver's side. And then also you can see on the driver's side, there's all this room here, which seems slightly off. And again, the headrest adjust is here. And then this, which would make sense to be on the outside of the car, is on the inside. But before I just go ripping these things out and putting them where I think they should be, I was hoping someone could confirm that I am right in my assessment. So please let me know, and hopefully we can get this car another step on the way to being right.